So today I'm gonna be unveiling my new shoe, my own custom shoe, the P-Dub. That's right. Okay. Right here we got a P-Dub by Bill Wong, made in Italy. Real Italian leather jacket. Okay, let's see what we got. P-Dub across the top of the tongue. Real python snakeskin leather. Look at that. Oh yeah. Okay. Raiders colors. Word. Okay. Made in Italy. That's the real deal, people. Check it. Okay. Viorani brand. Same thing I got on here. And all I gotta say is these are top notch. Okay. Real quality right here, people. If you want to get a custom shoe made for yourself, get a hold of Bill Wong and he will hook you up, okay? But Bill, all I gotta say is thank you. You really outdone yourself with these. These are the bomb, okay? Very nice. Thank you.